Guys, welcome back to the channel and to part 4 of the George Classic Car Show. Enjoy! Okay guys, so this concludes the series that I've been posting on the George Classic Car Show. I hope you found it interesting. I can tell you, like I said in the beginning of the video, I can tell you that this was by far the best car show that I've been to thus far. I've been to a few in my time, but this was definitely the best one. I'll actually consider going again next year. I'm not sure if I'm going to go next year, or I might skip a year and then go the next year. But I'll still kind of weigh it out, because I'm afraid that if I go consecutively, I just might find it being almost the same. I'm not sure, but I found it in the past that when I actually went consecutively annually to a specific car show, you kind of almost as if the thrill is lost, and it's like kind of just like, okay, that car's back again, that car's back again. So I might just give the next one a miss. I mean, it's still a while to go, but we'll see. But anyway, it was good, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the cars there, and yeah, enjoyed the series. And if you actually seen some of my other videos on the channel, why don't you think of subscribing to my channel, just to help grow the channel a little bit. Growth is rather slow. This is now, I think, my second or third year going now. I'm not sure. I think it could be the start of my third year. So growth is relatively slow. So if you can hit the subscribe button, it will cost you nothing. It will help me just build my channel up a little bit. And hit the notification bell just to check out whatever other videos I'll be posting. Like I said, I got some good videos coming this year. I'm going to start on the Mark II RS 2000 build relatively soon, in conjunction with the Panavan Mark II Panavan build that I'm busy with. And I got a couple of odds and sods that I'm going to chuck in as we go along. So anyway, give us a like, comment, share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.